Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Wednesday the 11th of January with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. We're going to look at dollar yen now, and we're sort of basically still in this sideways move really. Let's look at the daily chart really, and you can see this consolidation we had. We broke below 116 figure, and I thought that was possibly going to start to see a bit of a directional move, and it has in a way, but not decisively. We saw that sort of closing breakdown. Payrolls Friday obviously positive for the dollar, and then you've seen as another couple of days down. You're sort of consolidating really. It's not really showing much direction, but you look at these momentum indicators, they are arguably mixed because the RSI is still holding above 50. The MACD lines are still positive, although they are pulling back towards neutral. But the stochastics are falling towards sort of negative territory. So you're sort of in this corrective move. Yes, this drift lower, yes, but I still think ultimately this correction will be bought into. It just depends on exactly where the next higher low comes in. Now I've got that nice support band between sort of 112.85, 114.80, which I still think that's where we're going to see it. The support at the moment is holding up above 115. You can see on the hourly chart, it's basically consolidating. As I said, that breakdown below 116, and it's arguably sort of becoming a bit of a sort of a pivot area. I'd say area rather than line, because 116.35 was yesterday's reaction high. That's sort of intact. So if you stay below 116.35, you could argue that you're still sort of consolidating around that 116 breakdown level, and it's sort of could be a sort of a make or break for the bulls. But we're sort of back towards a neutral area. The RSI around the 50s level, MACD lines neutral, and stochastics sort of mildly positive in the last sort of day or so. But yeah, generally speaking, I think it's consolidating, and the market is looking for direction. Not quite found it yet. 1635 is your initial resistance. 1750 now is your lower high, your key lower high. That sort of needs to be broken to re-engage the bulls properly within this band. But generally speaking, you're sort of consolidating, and again, you could argue around that 61.8% fib level, 115.60 area. So it all sort of plays into this consolidation, lacking direction on dollar yen. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.